Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of making this divider box. The person I was trying to help is a little bit confused. So you've got 4 outside pieces, and these little slots are going to fit in there. So if you put your 4 pieces around, then you would need 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these would, the ones that are vertical would have the slots up, and then the horizontal ones would have the slots down. So they're going to fit inside themselves. So you definitely want to put the slots in first, and then, then make your box around, and your box is going to overlap with that joint right there. And remember, we did yesterday, we did a female and a male. So the male and the female will match on all the corners. And then these slots will be these slots right here. They're protruding past, and they're going to go into that spot and holding them secure. So the interior, if you just think about having the slots up, and then on these put them down, and they're going to nest into each other, making them even across the top. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.